Attention custom apparel decorators. If you're not yet printing for cheer teams, this is one profitable market you'll want to consider. From the sideline cheerleaders that are rallying the crowd at sporting events to the competitive cheerleaders that are competing on the mat, there's one thing that these two types of cheerleading teams have in common, and that's they make up nearly $300 million in custom apparel. And as a heat printer, you can take advantage of this profitable market by having the right tools. The first two things to consider is the type of apparel and print finishes that you're offering. In this video, I'm going to show you two popular styles of apparel and two bling finishes that will allow you to successfully reach this market. Let's head to the heat press. The first garment we're going to heat apply is a 100% polyester mesh t-shirt, and the brand is Sport Tech, and it can be sourced from Sanmar. This garment is great for this market because of the style of t-shirt that it is. It has nice breathability, and it's great for movement in any activity the cheerleaders will be partaking in. When it comes to print finishes, this market is definitely bling biased. They love anything with a high shine or glitter finish. The product we're going to be heat applying is called CAD Cut Metallic. It applies at 285 degrees for 10 seconds. CAD Cut Metallic is a cold peel, so we're going to let this set off to the side and let it cool down while we heat apply our other garment. Another popular apparel item is leggings and shorts. These leggings are sourced from Sanmar as well and are an Ogio brand. So they're a very premium poly spandex type of piece of apparel that can be extremely profitable when customized for this market. For a successful heat application, we're going to be using a heat printing pillow and inserting that into the leg of our garment. I'm just going to lay that across my platen, and before I place my transfer, I'm going to do a preheat and test my pressure. I'm going to dial this back. And the next product we're going to be working with is CAD Cut Glitter Flake, which applies at 290 degrees. So I'm going to increase my temperature an additional 5 degrees. For placement with this, I just go alongside the seam of the legging, starting at the hip and going down. We're going to cover with a cover sheet. And this is going to apply for 10 seconds. Glitter Flake is a hot peel, so as soon as that's done, we can go ahead and remove this carrier. And our customized print on our poly spandex leggings are complete. Now that the metallic transfer has cooled, we can go ahead and remove that carrier and reveal that extremely sought after metallic finish that offers that true mirror-like shine. These apparel items really just scratch the surface in all that you can print for this market. Accessories like duffel bags, cheerleading bows, and even sports bras are extremely popular as well. And to stay relevant to this increasingly popular market, be sure to offer bling finishes to really play it up. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description.